All right, I want to teach today on how you can generate your link such that anybody who clicks the link will show up in your DM. So the first thing you will do is to go to your Chrome browser. My own is here. And type what I call postcron. Postcron.com. It just brought me to the page immediately. Now, this is WhatsApp link generator. So when you get to this place of WhatsApp link generator, let me show you. There will be a display like this one you are seeing. There will be a display like this. So the next thing you will have to do is to click on create link now. So let's click on it. Look at this place. What's your phone number? You put your phone number. Your country code is very important. If you are a Nigerian, the country code for Nigerians is +234. Mind you, in this kind of link creation, do not put plus. Just put 234. Then followed by your number 9160547691. That's my own number. So it's your number you will put there. Don't put my own. The next thing you will do is, what message do you want your customers to see when they contact you? What message do you want them to see? See the message. You will now type something like hello. Hello. Yeah, you can put that symbol if you like. My name is Akinpeloye Folajimi. Full stop. I will like to join your free master class. Full stop. Now you now click get link. Can you see the get link? You click the arrow button here to go back and click get link. Your link is already created. Look here, you will see something like copy. You will say copy. Can you see copy there? Yes, copy link. So you click on copy link. The link has been copied. Let us now say if the link we copied can work. Let's go back to WhatsApp. Let's go back to WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp business. So let's go back. Let me place the link here. That's the link. That's the link that has been copied. But if we click this link now, that message we type before we appear. Let us see what happens. Can you say it's directing them? It has directed them to this WhatsApp number. Hello, my name is Akinpeloye Folajimi. I would like to join your free master class. That is what the link has shown to us. Can you see? Since you find it helpful, which I know it's very helpful, can you click on the subscribe button and also press the notification so that other videos, when I make them, you'll be able to access them. So in the same vein, learn more, watch other videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.